out of here.
Scared you, didn't I?
You always scare me, Pinky. Now do me a favor and go play with those blocks over there.
All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning. PennyPorkChop, how y'all doing today? Well, I'm up and I got my coffee at least. Today, February the 17th, Thursday, we're going to talk about some stocks here and see if we can figure a thing or two out what's going on with them. Here's the skew for yesterday. You can see finally we bought a little bit. It looked like we bought a little bit of options there, and these fellers are starting to consider. They're starting to consider. Yep. Now what do we got to do to turn this around? Well, we're gonna have to get all the way up above. First, we're gonna have to get above this here 50%, and then we're going to have to start talking about, well, what's that long-term channel look like? Yeah, buddy, because that's going to make a difference. I really don't know, and still, you never know. You just never really know about these things. Anyway, we're on the 4 hour today, and we're going to talk about what I see. We finally got to a neutral stance on the old 50 VMA, and I'm still pretty sure we are headed for another leg down. In my humble opinion, we have not recaptured this original trend line yet. We'd need to pretty convincingly get up in here today. But overall, if you're doing cookie trading, you know, it's still in the been choppy. Looking at this, we're looking at probably very short-term bullish over 460. And let's go over here and take a look at the old 89-minute chart. And this here is one of my favorite charts. Over 50, over an hour, and under the 4 hour. This gives you can usually get a little bit better insight. Short term is what we're looking at, and you can see here 468 would be an interesting spot because we're challenging this breakdown candle. This is the bully we need to beat right here. Now it looks like we didn't quite make it, but maybe close enough. Call that a gap fill. Interesting. Now you can see we have breached the level, and they put up a little flag here. We'll see if bulls respond to it today and start getting up here in this area, this one deviation. You can see it in the old indicators. Their work here was a good spot. She's showing weakness here. Now I'm a little concerned. We really need to get this the real volume into this market. This is all just really not very strong overall, but it would be good for some cookie trades. Let's go up here and look at these shorter time bases right quick. And remember, we're still in options expiration, and you know, we just know how that works. The magic is on. The magic is on. It looks like on our hourly, it's look like yeah, they've gotten us up here into this area. The overnight folks look like they they ran up a little bit, and then they decided, somebody said, no, let's take some profit. But here's the real zone. You need to stay out of this area. Who knows if they have enough strength, if they can get an hourly up, an hourly up going. I mean, right now I'd be looking for a 15-minute and a 5-minute pullback, maybe to take a little cookie trade. But that depends on your preference. That, because this here, I'd call this in an uptrend. If it doesn't get before, let's take a look at this. Go take a look at this. You get a good 15-minute bar. First, you're gonna need some structure built, and then break that 15-minute bar and get up in here, and then look you for a 5-minute bar that breaks the smaller time frames for a short-term cookie trade. You might be good. This would be the level we need to really get above and get back into this channel. Today would be, for an ideal cookie trade. Now, right now, I don't talk about anything longer than cookie trades because we just not in the neighborhood of price action and market action to really talk about that stuff. We'll get down here in the 20-minute and take a quick gander at what we got. All right. And you can see, again, got this pullback going on. We're dancing around that line. What I like about this is we've got we're right in the neighborhood. We get a good push up. But yeah, this would probably be the spot I call looking at going down and getting this gap. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. So anyway, that's the old market update for the penny. Be careful out there. Looks like, well, let me take that back. Take that back. What you doing, penny? Yeah, buddy. So is that gap filled? What is that? 441.94, 441.59. No. Yeah. But the bigger picture, that 4 hour, they're still dangling. They're dealing with closing them old options yet. But yeah, I still think we're coming back down. This is just dancing around right now, playing with the old market. Anyway. Oh, by the way, the VIX is still above 20, so, we're still cookie trading. Y'all have a wonderful day and be blessed.
Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start it this time. Right. Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season. Wabbit season. Duck season. Fire!